Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got the very first unboxing for February and it is Lookfantastic. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the Lookfantastic monthly subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside, then you'll find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. I'm filming on my phone, so the lighting quality might not be as clear as what it normally is. I've just come home from seeing a friend and this arrived. I'm busy tomorrow, so I thought I would just do a quick sit down video. And Molly, come here Miles. Molly, my 1-year-old golden retriever, is always by my side, so she'll probably stay there throughout the whole video. But yeah, so Lookfantastic then, it costs £17.50 a month. It ships internationally, and if you take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, then you can have it at a reduced cost. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, but I do take out a subscription for myself, and I take out a 12-month subscription and I pay £13. For those boxes, I save them as birthday presents or gifts for my friends and family, or I put them up for giveaways. All links related to the subscription. Plus, Lookfantastic have brought out loads and loads of different limited edition boxes this month. You'll find them all listed down below in my description, as well as any giveaways, money off, discount codes and things like that from different websites. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. Inside you'll find 6 beauty items ranging from anything skincare, hair care, makeup, sometimes some freebies as well. Sometimes we get a leaflet telling you all about the products. Sometimes we get a little card with a QR code so we're able to scan it. And I think that's about it really. So if there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But let's get on to unboxing this rather different looking beauty box. That's what it looks like inside. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? No? There, just giving you a sneak peek. And here's a little QR code, which I can't scan because I'm filming at the same time. It just tells you all about the products inside the box, plus it'll give you a sneak peek for the March box. But I'll pop that down in my pinned comment, which has the timestamp. I forgot to say as well, I do have a code, it's Beauty Geek, and that'll entitle you to receive your first box for £13. But I'll pop the code down below in the description anyway. First up then, we have got here, this is a blending drop sponge by So Eco. Achieve a flawless makeup application with this ultra soft makeup sponge. I don't own a sponge like this. I own loads and loads of sponges, but not like that. I love the flatness there. I apply foundation with a brush and then I go over with a sponge to press it all in, and I usually use either a brush or the tapered end of a sponge to do my concealer separately. Yeah, I really like that. It's a bit of an unusual shaped sponge there. So that's the first item. Next we've got Grown Alchemist. This is an anti-repair intensive moisturizer, and there's 12 mils here, and that's what it looks like. It noticeably restores skin texture, visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving skin looking healthy, moisturised and visibly rejuvenated. Then we got something for the hair. This is by Umberto Gianni. This is banana butter, 97% natural, repair and restore leave-in conditioner styling butter for dry, frizzy and textured hair. And there's 100 mils here. I've smelt this before. Oh, it is gorgeous. Oh my word, look. Oh, look. That just looks amazing, doesn't it? It's like a marzipan banana-y smell. It's really nice. We've got banana butter face mask. Next, we've got Mono Skin. This is Beauty Balm, brightening and tightening proteins for all skin types. And we've got 50 mils here. There. The classic luxury balm provides instant radiance. You just use a small amount to clean dry skin using a press-in action applied to face and neck over the top of your moisturiser every morning and evening after cleansing and toning. If I can find out any extra information about the products, then I'll add it down below in the description. But this box won't be available until the 1st onwards. So if you subscribe now, then your first box will be the January box. But from the 1st onwards, then you will get this box. So there might be more information about these products then. Look, she's got a paw on me. What is it? You can smell something. You can smell that banana cream, I think, isn't it? It's not this. No. Next, we've got Staniac. Hint of a Tint. Oh, I love these. For cheeks and lips. And this is by the Balm Staniac. I don't like it for cheeks because I just don't feel that I can control it that well for cheeks. Oh, I've actually got on now. Korean. I can't remember the name of it. I can't remember what it is, but it's a Korean one. But oh, I love them. This nice pinky colour there. But it's just easy. You apply it and then it just stains your lips and you're good all day. I do really like them. The Balm Hint of a Tint for cheeks and lips. Is that? And we have got Nude Sticks. Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour in Dew Wap. Dew Wap? Hopefully you'll be able to see it. Yeah, you can see there with the light coming down. See, I'm not used to filming without ring lights and proper cameras, so I hope this does come out. Really nice for doing like a halo eye effect in a corner, highlight. Yeah, I love these sticks. They are really great. Nude Sticks is a really great brand as well. So there you go. And then they popped in a little added freebie. This is L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Wrinkle Serum. I've tried this before as well, and it's really nice. So there's a little sample sachet there. So those are all the products inside the February box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We got a So Eco Blending Drop Sponge. We've got an Age Repair Intensive Moisturiser by Grown Alchemist. We've got a Beauty Balm by Monu Skin. We've got a Banana Butter Treatment Hair Mask by Umberto Gianni. We've got a Staniac Lip and Cheek Tint by The Balm. And we've got a Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour by Nude Sticks. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the February box? What do you think of this? Nice having the proper boxes, you know, with the lids taken off because you can reuse them to put things in. But I do really like that they've mixed it up a little bit and give us this cardboard packaging. It's a little bit different, isn't it? But yeah, please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.